Arena Breakout Infinite, Northridge, Building C, Lounge 1. What's behind it? Where is it? And most importantly, is it worth it? Well, let's find out. The easiest way to find your way around Northridge, or any map for that matter, is using my map linked in the description down below. This map features everything you need to know and so much more. Simply start typing to search. I'm looking for Lounge 1. Clicking it, it takes us straight to where we need to be. This has taken us to the top floor of the tallest building of Northridge Hotel in the southwest corner here. And as you can see, this key right up here is where we need to head. So I'll go ahead and mark it on the in-game map by scrolling all the way into Northridge Hotel down here, Building C, and selecting Northridge Hotel 3F to get to the top floor. I'll mark it and get over there. Keep in mind this place is super dangerous, both populated with players and AI. There's tons of loot to be got here, so if you don't get what you want out of this room, you'll definitely find some good stuff in the rest of the hotel. Anyways, let's get there. This of course is the tallest building here, so you definitely won't be missing it. As I'm already inside this building on the second floor, there's a staircase here and a staircase here that can take us up. So let's go ahead and take probably the closest one here. Let's do it. If you came in from this area over here, you'll find Lounge 1 just to your right here. When we unlock this room and head inside, this is what we have waiting for us. Inside of here, we've got some relatively good loot. On the pool table right in front of us, we've got 2 military computers. The first one in my case contains, could be juicy. Yeah, that's pretty solid. Obviously though, your loot may vary. The one next to it, for me, has some okay stuff, not too bad. To our right, there's nothing here. To the left, nothing either, but just underneath the pool table, a third computer. Could be good. It's okay. Finally, in the back of the room, we've got this safe here, which in my case contains, could be good, nope, just money. It's okay. Overall, I did score a pretty big jackpot from one of the 3 computers here. Your luck, of course, will vary, and the safe at the back could hold some real good goodies. But yeah, overall, not a terrible key at all by any means. It's just in a dangerous spot, as are, well, many of the keys on this map. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Again, you'll find many useful videos linked down below. Hopefully you found this video useful. My name is Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.